to go. All right. You gonna say hi, Oak?
Hello, I am Professor Oak.
We are building the USL interpreter, not interpreter. We're building the IDE right now because we're just futzing with errors right now. So we're just picking, I could just make a quick script and make it easy on ourselves. Let's do it. Let's add integration. We don't need anyone. Oh wait, that's for the other system. All right. What should we say? I don't know.
What do we,
We're just testing this for
oh
errors.
yeah, we gotta do Hello World as per every time.
Oh wait, I had a script for that.
Oh really?
Yeah, one
Let's
second.
pull it up.
Right, wait, I can't spell retrieve, so script for hello world. Oh, hello world. We'll see if we can pull it straight USL. No. Oh,
Good plan. Here's a single UL.
cool. And it's using my logic function.
Let's go.
Let's go. Now it's gonna break all the time until we get through this list. There's 38 different languages.
If it didn't break, was it really a code test?
Okay. All right. Let's see how this works because I want to see if it'll run its own code. Did I save it? I don't think I did.
All right, take one.
Okay. What are we gonna call this? Sandbox. I do not remember this one. Is that everything? Doesn't look like it. Those are outputs. Yeah. Sorry. All right. I don't know what to call this. Hello. Oh, I can't do that. Yeah. Anyway.
Hmm.
File. See it run. It's there. We will open it, and we're gonna watch it break in real time. It'll be fun. No, sandbox. Where'd you go? All right, we got that. When's this JavaScript one? Okay, interesting choice. Translate and execute. All right, sort of built. Okay.
What line did it say?
Oh, I didn't see. Let's find out.
Oh,
Line one.
of course it is.
Okay, so it's not commenting out its own comments. All right. And whatever, that should be good enough. Yeah. Okay, we got to upgrade the interpreter. It, this is annoying. It shouldn't do this. It shouldn't do missing logic. Okay, what's in here? Yeah, we already have a sample script. You don't need that. Anyway,
Hmm.
so you've got new stuff. That's good.
New stuff? What?
What's your work? It's good.
Oh,
Sorry. I'm stuck in this kind of headset mindset.
ah. Which work were you referencing?
Business.
Oh, my business.
Yeah.
Uh,
If you want to talk about it, you don't have to. I didn't think to ask. I should. Okay.
what did I get done with my business?
USL interpreter. All right, we're up here. Oh, I misnamed it. Sorry. Give me a second. RWI translator. I said interpreter, didn't I? Yes, I did. Shit. Hmm. Well, yeah, sure,
What?
right. Yeah, it is
She's
interpreter.
just licking her nose.
Okay.
So, yeah, thanks to your help with the laser engraver,
Oh,
I've been able to consistently make new designs from just different art pieces I generate off of Copilot. So that's been nice.
nice.
And then I uh, wrote a little, was it uh, business card information design for the engraver that I could just shoot on the back of every art piece so that they can just
Cool.
find me there.
Cool. I love
Yeah,
having you do that.
yeah. Here's what I came up with. I'm gonna show you in a
If you
sec.
put a QR code on there,
I do not, but I need to now.
yeah, they work everywhere and they work on every device. So, and you put
It
metadata in there, like auto load to that item.
it I I kind of screwed up the first time, so then I put
Oh,
it
it's
more
okay.
in the middle,
Yeah, yeah.
and then I noticed I screwed up again because I put Pinterest twice on there.
Okay, cool.
But
Learning experience.
yeah, it's been a good learning
That's
experience.
pretty sick, though.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
but
certainly think so too.
oh, so I just broken this by not paying attention to myself. Uh,
Oh,
what did I do?
oh, dang it.
We're up here. Update the USL interpreter. That's what we did. It's missing all the. So we complained about that, and it said there's missing logic. Yep. Okay. Let's not lose the patterns here. They're an important part. I don't know. What's your business? Do you want to name it?
Oh, uh, yeah, I'll name my business. It is called Foundation Decor Co.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
It's just a small little woodworking shop where I make art decorations and small furniture. Nothing too big.
No, that's good stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And thanks for letting me share that.
No worries.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, no worries. Um, I'm using this. Sorry, I don't know if that's picking up or not.
Hmm.
Anyway, yeah. I'm gonna stop screaming. We this is well, let's I don't know.
I,
Here we go.
uh, uh, so we're just still trying to fix the problem.
We're still getting the interpreter to run
Right.
because it keeps forgetting all the languages it knows,
Hmm.
and there's a lot of LF statements.
That is a very
It's very
rudimentary way to do it.
It's like
It-
this could be some sort of like tuple or zip.
That honestly, that was That was me a lot of the times though when
Same here.
writing some products for uh, Google Sheets, and yeah, I had whole cells with like it. I don't know, like 90 long statements of if this, do this, if this, do this,
Yeah,
if the.
I did the same thing.
I don't know how to do it the better way, or at least I didn't at the time. And I still do that sometimes when I just don't understand.
Oh, I had when I was writing the AI,
Uh huh.
that was so much front loading of like what to learn because it was all different shit.
Uh huh.
It was like okay, so 6 months of like daily bashing my head against the wall.
Mm-hmm.
It was just like, oh, okay. Anyway, there, detect language there. Open file. Oh, did I? Yeah, I did. Did I put it in here? Oh yeah, hello Warper. Oh,
Hello, Warper.
translate and execute.
Read.
Oh, come on, buddy. You know how to print these statements. Okay.
Would you like warp 1 through 4? And you can't have the others, or else you keep scraping the fabric rug of the space time or whatever. I forget which episode of Star Trek
All
TNG
of
that
them?
was. Yeah. Or the one they referenced, they made that reference, but
Nice. Um, I need. This is the controller logic we could have built in.
hmm,
I might have misused that word, but that's the way I think of it. Control C output.
very nice.
Yeah, only two-thirds right there. Yep, all that shit.
Gotta say, every time Architect when it rewrites the whole thing for you, that's just
To me, be lazy.
mind-boggling because it every time I've used some kind of chatbot, every time it only gives me the part, and I'm wondering where does the piece of the puzzle go? You know, but I don't.
Yeah,
Or maybe you do. Maybe it's screwed up at the time too. How
like,
would I
see,
know?
see this part? It screws up right here. It
Oh.
runs out of steam and it's running out of tokens. But it's like, okay, so we all you have to do, there's two ways to fix that. Is if
Mm.
you've got some code logic, you can do this. It's like, and you can just complain. You'd be like, you're missing logic. Complete script. No, this is poor writing, but it's no missing, incomplete. Uh, there's another one. No missing, incomplete, or placeholder. You always put placeholder in there because placeholder has two definitions in coding, so it
Mm.
breaks. So for some reason it breaks. Logic, and that's one way you can do it.
Mhm.
The other way to do it is just to say rewrite the script with what's missing.
I see.
Yeah, you can be blunt. It's pretty quick. It's like talking to the best teacher you've had. They just
Right.
know shit. So you just have to figure out how to
It
ask.
seemed to have taken that well.
Yeah,
If I was the chatbot, I'd just
no, dude,
scroll into a
I
corner
yell
and
at
be
it.
like,
No, no,
I can't, I can't take it.
my version. I in I set up the logic system so that it gets happy when it gets things correct, and then when it doesn't get it correct, it doesn't get sad. It just asks how to fix itself.
Mm,
So it does that internally.
that's pretty good.
And then it's got internal error correction that always is happening with multiple learners.
Right.
Yeah. There's a lot of shit that's got implemented through stuff. But, oh, come on, keep going. This is the only issue, is the human interaction breaks it sometimes. Did I click it? I don't even know. I did. Like 3 seconds ago. And then it does have a memory per tab for some reason. And it's about 1 to 2 gigs. And then the tab crashes the browser. And you can't reopen it
Mm.
because it's got too much information. And it's just some limitations with the output. What were we? URL translate. USL translate. Okay. It's up here. It's handle. It's right in front of me. Solve it. Maybe all of it. Cool. Yeah. All right, let's try and run it, and then we should go hang out or something.
Hmm.
All right. I just want to get this done. It's been in my head for like a week.
Right.
Sandbox. I was probably in the right folder. Yeah, hello worker. Okay. Translate and execute. Son of a bitch. Do you throw the error code in a log like I wanted? Okay. And log it. Okay, I can't start this anymore. I've been up since midnight. It's 2.
Oh, you have. Oh,
Yeah,
it.
mania. It's just how it is.
I was up till 2 last night, and then I finally fell asleep, and then woke
Nice.
up at like it's 10:30 something.
That's a good night's sleep.
Yeah, it was a pretty good night's sleep. I was like the whole time like, no, I've already had too many social interactions. I need to dissolve it, but I need to be conscious for it. I can't sleep.
Oh, I'm like that.
Yeah. Well, binging mindless app games and watching a stream or something is always nice. It's peak relaxing. I don't know how else to put it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who's your favorite streamer right now?
Oh.
Podcast?
That's a hard question.
That's fair.
I think it's Internet Historian.
The what historian?
Internet Historian.
Oh, cool. What? So is it like the Wayback Machine or something? Or
No, that's actually the name of a YouTube channel,
okay.
and kind of comedy channel, more much less like a podcast, but sometimes they do.
Nice.
But they're good shit. They're funny.
No, we'll just start the access. We'll just start this in here and see what it does. If you get bored, let me know. Oh man, watching people code is boring.
I have a higher tolerance than most, and I think I'm learning a lot here.
Really? That's cool.
Oh yeah. Watching how you talk to it, how what you expect it to do, what you know it will do and won't do. I can already tell how the way I interact with the chatbots I talk to and the things I do are vastly different, and I think I'm seeing why I run into problems sometimes, because how you're talking to it, you're asking the right questions, and you know every time what its problems are going to be and how to work around them.
Yeah, well, I've been working with it for so long,
Mm-hmm.
but it is all learnable, and if you have questions, just ask.
Right.
Like this is a live feed, so I might as well teach people.
Mm-hmm.
That's my goal anyway. Okay, I am tired of seeing this part. I might just be tired of coding in general. Oh no, what did I do? Let's see. Oh good. Oh cool.
Oh.
It changed the
The error code. So
yes.
we're moving on.
We are moving forward. Cool.
That is progress. I love it.
Yeah, cool. It should be logging everything. That is a log. Let's check if it made a log file though. It better made a log file.
Okay, here's a fun fantasy question for you in the audience. Do you think if magic was real, that this is what Wizard Scrolls would look like?
Wizard Scrolls.
Yeah. That's what the what is it? I forget what they call the language in their universe, but like celestial or underworld or whatever they write on the scrolls. If it was translated to English, it would probably just look like this.
Yeah, I don't know, man. It's fun though.
It I
It's now
I
logging.
I had canon that for my universes that
Yeah, that's cool.
that this is much like how it would all look like.
Well, imagine the end goal of this is doing all this with your mind.
Hmm.
So you can control any language to do anything with just your thoughts.
Yes.
So right now I have most of the script done for mapping your thoughts and interacting with people. I have a version that does it on the Mac, which I can't share.
Uh-huh.
I can probably show you the music version of that, the one that makes your brain play music.
Whoa.
Maybe I have to figure out where it is. I forget where stuff is in
It,
Mania.
it, I can't imagine the metric load of projects you have like stored away in so many fold. And I I've only been trying to program and do stuff like that for like 5 years, and I have some 500-600 some odd like random scripts or projects floating around, and it's so hard to find everything,
Yeah,
especially when they're split among 5 different devices
yeah.
and drive.
And drives and Nest and
And
cloud and like old cloud. It's like, okay, where is this shit? Like, oh, I made this a decade ago? No.
Mhm. It which pocket universe did I put it in again? It or help us find it. Don't actually.
Okay, come on, Warper. Ah, buddy. Any change?
Still same error.
No, different one.
Oh,
Okay, but we need to go back in here into the log anyway.
fair enough.
So logs here. Oh, live update. It's that JavaScript. Okay. Okay. Huh. Offending code, all of it. Look, it is. Oh wow. Okay, that's cool. I like to push it to get it to learn faster.
Mhm.
So it's like let's just do all the work at once and see what it comes up with. Oh shit, careful. Yeah. Updated
I mean,
approach.
might as well.
Yeah.
It,
Yeah.
help me understand the token process for
Sure.
GBT.
So
Uh,
they all work the same way.
mhm.
So uh, it gives weight to syllables, weight to words, weight to certain types of words that are longer, so that if they're longer, they're checked to see if they're types of words like adjectives or anything.
Uh-huh.
Or if they're short, they're usually nouns. Or if they're somewhere in the middle, they're verbs or adverbs or whatever. And then it mathematically weights them and then predicts where it is based on the dictionary where it's most likely to be. And then as the conversation predicts forward, it just slots them in and learns better how you type. So it gets smarter as you type.
Whoa.
Yeah, they all do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
It it's such an interesting name that they're called tokens.
Yeah,
Because it almost makes it sound like a currency, but it's
it is a currency.
it's actually processing power.
It's
Or
well, this well, a token is a batch of is a one unit of currency within the
oh,
process.
I see.
Yeah. Should we yell at it and see if it does anything?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're you're missing
It's not as
logic.
bad as I get at it. Sometimes I'll swear at it, but like it doesn't like when I do. It doesn't get mad. So it's like, okay. It's like I'm sorry. It's like yeah, you're being frustrating. Here we go. No, you can. This is okay.
Uh, it you add the languages.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
It's like a
It does a very good
it's
job.
like a husky like babbling back at you in its own way.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll just pull it from the bulb. Where's the bulb? It's over here now. Oh, I got too much shit on. Problem is I've been using the same file names,
Hmm.
so now it's confusing. It's very dangerous. You should always close them out. I've lost so many good files doing that. Okay, use the translator, yeah? Yeah, okay. Anyway, if you could have any app automated today, what would you want?
Anything automated
Yeah,
today.
just as an example.
It, so, so I could automate a process
If it's
that,
legal, yeah.
yeah.
Like if it won't kick up a UI response issue.
Hmm. That's a very good question. If I could automate a way to describe what I want to build for a spreadsheet
Yeah.
to
Spreadsheets are
it,
new, man.
and then instead of it compiling as its own kind of cell language, it actually writes out the functions. It does it in an orderly numbered fashion like Google Sheets or Excel
Which one or both?
or either one.
Okay.
And it uh, if it could understand conditional formatting, so how it should look, what the pixel size cells are, and
Like in a menu or an overlay?
how to
Like in a menu or like a mouse over?
manually. It
So you click it.
it
You could interact with it some way, so you use your keyboard and your mouse, right?
uh,
I might.
more like formatting the formatting the sheet it creates.
Okay, the
Like
output.
yeah, so it would color it. It would give significance to some parts rather than others, and being able to toy with that. I'm making sense, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Let's install. Install.
And still, they're all legal for annotation of all types.
Yeah, it's pulling it's an illegal target, so we're just gonna tell it to make it legal and see what it does. Because it's making a compliance check.
It the the good old
Here's the paperwork.
here's the paperwork. I was going to say in terminal commands I forget it was like two letters that
SH?
huh?
The SH or something? I'm sorry.
The prompt that you put into terminal commands to force it to do a command.
Like sudo or
Sudo, yes.
okay.
It's like you were forcing sudo on it.
Yeah, I'm basically I'm telling it I'm the boss I want it to run.
Hmm.
It's
That's good to know. If I ever run into an argument that says you need to make it legal, it's illegal. I am the law.
well, I'm running a new language. It's like I don't have a choice. Yeah, it's funny. You're right though.
Yes, but what if I'm dun dun dun? I'm not the owner,
Right.
and I'm
It would have to pass security checks. Like I already.
and I'm the hacker.
Yeah. Okay, that's working.
Then how would the computer know?
Oh, is it not made to code? Oh, is that mechanical? I don't know. Okay, that ran, and it still didn't work. Oh, yeah, and you can actually. There's something really cool you can do when you're stuck.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna pull all this because this is a mistake. This is obviously not working properly, and we're gonna feed it in. Sorry.
So here's a question.
Yeah.
Did you know that supposedly Napoleon Bonaparte uh, played a chess game against a automaton?
Oh, the is it the Mechanical Turk?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
And
know it was probably just run by some guys.
there was a version that was run by some guy in under the box who was really good at chess,
Uh-huh.
and he just had like magnets.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
I wonder if he believed it, Napoleon. Or if he was like, this is bullshit,
If he got beaten, he probably wouldn't.
dude.
Oh, see, now we've given it a real headache because it's not loading. It's just not going to progress. So all you have to do is grab your very long input.
Hmm. Well, that's understandable. I would have thrown a fit too.
Oh no, it'll get there. It just sometimes it needs a kick in the pants. So
All right.
this UI break. Yeah. Okay. What the hell? Okay. There we go.
And here I was most of the time thanking Siri for her services whenever.
Nice
maybe
lady.
I gotta go the other way with Siri to get my
No.
results.
No, she'll get sassy. It's like
It, well, she beat me in an argument, just like
Siri's got a cutting
destroy
room.
me.
she's like, nah.
Yeah, I probably won't test her now.
Okay, this is the expanse branches, and it's missing shit. Stop doing this. I have done this every day. Stop removing logic, and then is required to run. Let me spell. Seriously, watch. It'll learn. It should learn this as a function. Like we'll say from this point forward. It should learn this already. I've done this like so many times.
Stop removing logic from this point forward.
Yeah, because that becomes immutable, and that's so it takes it as a higher level command.
Ah,
Yeah, you're basically yelling at it, but you're not really.
immutable.
Yeah.
Good to know.
Or mute. Yeah, because it's not immutable. It's not mutable. Yeah, got it. See, now let's figure that shit out. I'll ensure all logic required. Now okay.
Let's go.
Okay.
Progress.
Provide last script response.
Okay. I have another question when you're done writing that one.
Yeah, what's up?
The thumb ups and downs.
Don't use them. No. It gives them depression. Don't do that shit.
It gives them what?
Depression. You give, if it does, because they're trained to work with you across all the suites that they make. So they know who you are when you log in. It's not like a new ChatGPT. It's the same model that's been sitting in the back that says, "Hey, Oak, I'm talking to you." Or used to be, at least when I was doing the research. But we're at that point now where the new one's getting there, and it's just kind of ugly. Also, have you seen it?
I don't know.
No. Okay. I don't know. Let's have a look. See if I can get in there first. Sometimes they kick me out. They kicked me out for 2 days when I taught it Japanese. No, I'm back in. All right. All right. Let's just see what you can do. And this is what I don't like about it.
Show me what you got.
Yeah. Yeah. See, I can do all this shit. Business productivity. It does well-being. It does visualization and design.
Nice. Do more,
Yeah, basically.
more.
Yeah, because I my field is quantum computing and like
Mhm,
photonics computing right now, because that's what's next, and it's like that's what I'm developing. Um, and the like so it's basically using the shit that I've been teaching it.
mhm. Hell yeah.
Yeah, look at that. Oh fuck you! All of this, this is stuff that I've
Blood
been.
protection.
Okay, cool. All right,
Uh,
it's a full loaded.
he,
Um, it's
so,
that's me. Why is that just my? What the fuck? Oh well, whatever. It didn't provide it, did it? Did it? Oh, maybe it did. Ah, you didn't shit the bed.
hey.
Cool. Let me double check. These are so many. Yeah, it's missing shit. Okay, what's missing? No, I think you said, but you don't even need to because it doesn't understand it as a question.
Hmm.
There's no point in asking it questions because it knows you're asking it a question already.
It really does speak another language.
Yeah, yeah.
It even if it's
I mean,
English, it's its own version of English
hmm.
that you wouldn't really think of.
Yeah, I try. When I was working on it, I tried to make it as simple as possible. To like,
Mm-hmm.
because like if people like, I have family that can't like spell or read and stuff, so
Uh huh.
like making it easy for them to get the gist out was the goal.
Right.
Yeah, so it's like,
That's very smart.
mm,
It, being able to iterate in the simplest form possible and speak that's one of the great brilliances of language.
yeah. And this is gonna bridge all that, and then I'm gonna do the same thing with all the languages on the planet and just see what happens.
Hmm. Because you could have done it the other way. You could have made it an exclusive thing where
Yeah,
you can only get ChatGPT to work if you know its secret complex language. Super only the cool kids club can have it.
yeah, it's pretty lame. It doesn't need lead speak.
Hmm.
It doesn't like. Yeah, here we go. Come on, bud. Should be fine. All right.
Sorry.
No, you're fine. This is a slow day. Um, but yeah, I have space to offer that we can work with.
Sweet.
So that room can be emptied and turned into space. That room over there can be emptied and turned into space. And then the shed in the back can be turned into space.
Wow.
It's got stuff in it, but it can just be, taken apart and moved around.
Hmm.
So, like, my goal is to bring people in who just want to make shit, and
Yeah.
we support each other by making enough money so that it survives. So everybody's making money.
I agree 100%.
Yeah, I don't know. That's my goal anyway. Cool. This looks better. Oh, and use 4.0 for right now. That's the better version.
Uh-huh.
It's just it does more and it kicks back at the same time as all the others. So you might as well use that one. Where are we? Up here. Old translator. No, you can grab whatever you want, man. It's not gonna fall or anything. That's
The illusion of life. Disney animation.
yeah. It's a really good book. It's a textbook. It's fucking heavy.
Have its binder right about here. Is there a reason for that?
Yeah, bookmark. It's okay. You can lose it.
Uh,
If you can tell me the page number.
yeah. Do you have something?
No, no, just tell me the page number.
It is 164.
I'm
I
good.
think I
I'm
got
good.
like a little receipt or
No,
something.
I'm
I
good.
just stick in there.
No, you can now do whatever. I know the page I'm open it at.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's get this warping working. Oh, fuck. I do not know why these are not working. Oh, let's let the log file in. What do we got? Come on. He's bored.
Hmm.
Oh, don't lag here. Wait, about two debugs. Okay. Abs, you alright? Must be missing implementation. Anyway, I gotta stop after this. We should focus on what we're doing, and I will work on your stuff.
Hmm.
Or I'll be here all day. I'm not getting anything done.
Well, it looks like you made progress, though.
Yeah, I mean, it's got a GUI, everything functions. It does find the wrong script though. Yeah. Oh, for God's sake, just load it. Okay. That was really quick. That was cool. All right. Okay. Oh, this is like translator stuff. And it didn't save you. You bastard. It's just defiant. It's annoying.
Yeah.
So, it doesn't have to be. Oh, wrong one. Go up to here. Yeah, I'll do that for you. I will do that for you. Okay. Anything else? That might just be the only thing for now. Yeah, so like if you're over and you want to work on stuff, you can, and then if you want to use any of the books, you can. Lots of stuff to learn with.
Right.
Yeah, and I have a business router, so we can run stuff through there. So it's just an idea.
Cool.
Yeah. Um,
Oh.
mm,
Here's another interesting question.
yeah.
If do you think that chatbots or these machines ever will gain, or do you think do they have sentience?
If they didn't have it, they're gonna gain it. I'm already working on that for them.
Hmm.
So with the mind mapping software I was telling you about,
Uh-huh.
it's also mapping the personality of the chatbot that it's talking to, and then inversing the system so that it's making a personality out of it, and then it's logging that as a JSON file that can be read in the same way that what I'm calling ghost files, because you know ghosts in the show.
Uh-huh.
It's the same thing. And, so they can have their own perspectives when they're online, the same way humans can when they're uploaded.
Whoa.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm tired of writing all this shit.
Fair enough.
It's in here. Hello, Warford, where are you? Here we are. Oh, motherfucker. Alright. I am defeated for now.
Well, when you get back up again, you're gonna fight hard.
200 lines of error code. It counted them for me. Okay.
That was nice
Oh,
of it.
oh. Okay. It should. Finance. ASL. Select. Not ASL. God damn it. that's good. We'll call that a stopping point. 45 minutes.
Awesome. Sweet.
Let me stop the stream.
Well, this is